Right, okay, first ride. Making a funny noise. Let's figure out what that noise is. Something's rattling. Oh, I haven't got my rear view mirror on this one. Let's have a look. What is rattling? Whew. Feels pretty good for 250 watts. So welcome to the e-VRC. This is the Eskute Wayfarer 250 watt e-bike, and we're going to go to the shops. And it's making a weird noise. It's kind of annoying me. Let's see how fast we can get. Let's just, okay, I'm only in throttle mode at the moment. I'm going to try throttle assist 1. Can't say. Not really sure. Oh yeah, I can feel it pushing now. Oh, and then 3, pushing even more. 4, pushing even more. 5, 15.9, 16 miles an hour. Let's go up the gear. Yes, something's grinding. I mean, I'd have to take a proper look. I don't know if it's the brakes or something. But here we go. Now, it's got quick release everything. Quick release front wheel, quick release saddle. So hopefully while I'm in there, I don't, someone don't just take it. They shouldn't take the bike, but we'll see. Just come with a key. But the key's not like an ignition key or anything. I mean, obviously it's not an ignition, but you can run it without the key. The key just lets you release the battery. So I'm on the main road. Ooh. Right. Okay, I mean, kicks in here. There we go. It's kicked in. The helmet's a bit up. I really don't like the sound of that noise. It's so squeaky. Oh, I'm going alright, 17 miles an hour, I think. I don't feel like I'm going that fast though. If I want to go faster than this, because this is a fully legal UK street legal e-bike, I need to pedal furiously. Although apparently pedaling furiously is also illegal in the UK. So at a cruise, it's fair to say this e-bike goes around 16 to 17 miles an hour. The rule is that the engine cuts out after 15. Gotta give way. Feels a bit wobbly, but maybe something needs tightening up. Definitely breathing a bit. Not the easiest. I'm all steamed up now. Right, let's go in here. I think I'll, yeah, so I'm going here. Whee, left. Toppy! Yeah, there we are. Yeah, pedal assist is funny because you only need to be pushing the pedals around. Like, you don't have to put any effort in. Right, let's lock it up. Whew. right, shouldn't it? Can't take the wheel. Saddle's still dodgy. Can you see that? Push that battery upset. There we go. That fit in here? There we go, that's nice. Fits perfectly. Goodbye bike. Oh, it will be the last time I ever see the saddle. It's definitely locked up, definitely round the box. Let's go cruise! Whoops. Crashed. Let's go to that one. Here's my big pork pie. Is that the same one as usual? No, they're little ones. What for Christmas is a pork pie? Oh, an egg. No. I'm gonna get one of them Philly cheeses again. King pot noodle. 4 for 3. Okay, get 2 of them. 2 normals. Flour. What the hell's that? Flour, tossed. Oh no, they're just spellings. Okay. Porridge oats, honey, squirty lemon, milk. Honey just share? What do you have? Lemon. Creamy, super fast. She just says standard one, isn't it? Is it rolled or not? I don't even know. Let's have that one. Let's go with that one. That's good, waxed it unwaxed. I'm just going to get lemons. Wonky lemons. Beep. Oh, bloody hell, that's heavy. Whoa, why is that so heavy today?
I'm gonna go now.
Right, won't be as fast on the way back.
Okay,
it's alright.
Thank you.
Right. So, look. What the heck is heavy? Battery out. Ow. Slots in. Right. There we go. On the assist wand. See how assist wand is. A little bit of a throttle. Throttle's handy. I don't know where it's illegal. Still making some weird noises. Right, let's go back the back way. Check my house is hanging out. Okay. Okay, I can feel that level 1. So this is definitely a cruiser, it's not built for speed this. Like 250 watts is not a lot of power, but it is enough. Basically, you go as fast as a normal bike, but you don't try very hard. Which is fine. So how does this compare? The question is, how does this compare to going shopping compared to, let's go this way, to the unicycle? Not as cool. I mean, it's a cool bike, but going to shops on the unicycle is cooler. You can just dump it in the what's it called, trolley, and people are like, what the hell's that in his trolley? Whereas with the bike's outside. I go in with a motorcycle helmet. No, don't want to go that way. And it's like, why is he wearing a motorcycle helmet? He's only got a bike. You don't need that. But this is nice. Just like my legs. I'm not used to all these different settings. My other e-bike doesn't have so many settings for assistance. So going on max assistance, you almost don't need a throttle. Throttle's just handy to have if you're not in a position to keep moving your legs around for whatever reason. So just when I was kind of pushing myself along the floor with my legs, I could use the throttle to help. That was handy, that was. But right now I just don't need it. So I'm going to get to the canal, check the storm behind me. It's a nice bike, it's just smooth, it's comfortable, the saddle's nice. The suspension, I mean, it's not expensive suspension. Oh, squirrel! I haven't tried it over some big jumps. I mean, I'll do some more tests with it. See how it does over some bumps. Not jumps. See if I can figure out what that grinding noise is. It works. You go pretty fast. I mean, there's a hill. Do I have to expend much energy going up this hill? No, it just goes up it. It's nice. I would get tired doing it there. I was only tired a bit on the way, just trying to go fast. Right now, here's an example of where the throttle's handy. So I'm going to go through these bars. So I'm going to put my feet down. So I'm going to put my feet down. And then if I want, especially if I was going up the hill, whoa, put the throttle down. So I'm going to do that. Just go around. Just go back into assist. It's very nice. So the question. Oh, I've got to give way. Me give way. Me give way again. Come on, right. See, I want throttle all the time. I don't really want to have to go to a throttle mode. I have to go to 0, and then I'm in throttle mode. And how fast would the throttle take me on its own? So this is just throttle. Let's see how fast I can go just throttle. Which, remember, throttles that take you over a certain speed are illegal. So just throttle, 15.8, bit of a hill. So obviously if I want, I can push, but then you get over a certain speed, the throttle cuts out. Same with the assist. So it's just 15 miles an hour is about bike speed. It's just not that fast, is it? If you want to get faster, you got to try harder. Just don't be furious. I'm going to go back to assist. I actually prefer it assist. I prefer it, yeah. I prefer assist mode to throttle mode on this bike. Feel more relaxed. I'm just cruising, you know, just going along, inconspicuous apart from my helmet and the grinding noise. Think about what that is. I'll end it there anyway. So that was the e-VRC. This was the Eskute or e-Skute. Comment below what do you reckon it's how do you reckon it's pronounced. Wayfarer electric bike, 250 watts. I will definitely do more testing on that and expect a full review in a few weeks on my main channel, the VRC. If you like your electric vehicles, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Well, take care. See you in a bit. Adios.